Hello, my name is Camilo Martinez. I'm 25 years old. I live in Cali, Colombia. I enjoy playing soccer, going to the gym, spending time with my family and friends, and with my girlfriend. Okay, I'm gonna talk about a little bit about my last trip. My last trip was to Sierra Nevada and Santa Marta. I enjoyed there. It's called Palomino. It's mostly in La Guajira. I really enjoyed there because it was full of foreign people, and we had spent a really good time right there. As a matter of fact, people right there can surf, kite surf, and do other aquatic activities. I'm planning to go with my family in January, to San Andres Island. We already bought all the tickets, and it's going to be really nice because we're going like 15 people and enjoy there in San Andres. We rented an apartment, and it will be nice because we will be with all our family and friends, and we will enjoy the um, the trip. Um, what else I can tell you? I am studying business administration, and I'm finishing English one. Have a nice day. My name is Camilo. Talk to you soon.